information tag. Washington Center, good day, Southwest 2908 Baltimore, gate Charlie 9er, information Tango for pushback.
Southwest 2908 Washington Center, Roger, good morning, push in the alley at your discretion, expect runway 28.
Push in the alley at discretion, expect 28, Southwest 2908.
JetBlue 421, if you start your descent for 280.
Non capisco perché mi mette nella clearance, nella PDC di chiamarlo per il push, se poi il push è discretion, dove sono?
Secondo me penso sia per avere un'idea.
4591 radar contact, climb and maintain 17,000.
Release parking brakes, please.
Climb and maintain 17,000 and we're at 5,000, United 4591.
Che stanno lì 10
All
minuti.
engines clear. Start at will.
Sì, che chiamano e dopo chiamano
G6.
No, e poi vanno a prendere da bere, poi vanno al bagno,
sì.
vanno a cucinare, a girare un po' con le patate.
Ladies and gentlemen, if we could have your attention for just a moment, we'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737 MAX 8. A safety information card.
Southwest 2994, cross news at flight level 270.
Fasten your seatbelt. Slide the
Cross news at flight level 270, Southwest 2994.
To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it any time you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back.
Con temperature basse come oggi, sul Max 8 il motoring su dell'N1.
JetBlue 421 is leaving from airspace, check those offline, monitor Unicom, happy landing,
This
thanks for stopping by.
aircraft is equipped with life rafts. 2 life rafts are located in the forward ceiling compartment and 2 life rafts are located in the ceiling compartments at mid-cabin. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest.
Please set parking brake.
Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch.
Airport inside for 7 Charlie Tango.
On the safety information card.
7 Charlie Tango, Roger, thank you. And
buckle it in the front and
wind.
tighten.
330 at 14 gust 21, runway 1, clear to land.
Place the vest.
One clear land, 7
Place
Charlie Tango.
slowly to the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming by to check that your seatbelt is
Sa che
fastened.
deve far freddo dentro, perché qui a Baltimore c'è un bel meno 3 gradi alle 9 del mattino.
Yeah, 4591, climb and maintain flight level 210.
Sì.
Climb and maintain flight level 210, United 4591.
Smoking is not allowed on board, including
Tow truck
GST meno 3 con un bel vento.
E poi ha scritto infatti che andava a congelarsi.
Left is clear, right is clear.
La guardia meno 5 con 28 nodi di vento raffiche.
It is also prohibited to consume alcohol that you have brought with you on this flight. Federal
Quando ero andato a marzo era nevicato.
require passenger compliance with a lighted passenger information sign, posted placards, and crew member instructions including information on seat belts and smoking. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, hold down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally.
And last station flying with a 42903 Juliet.
Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by
4293 Juliet, Roger, and say type aircraft and direction of flight.
Put it on your mask first. Please remove any face coverings before donning an oxygen mask. We are here for your comfort and
42903 Juliet, Roger. Maintain VFR at below 3000 until further advised. Squawk 5144.
45 minutes flight to Fort Lauderdale. Welcome aboard.
4293 Juliet, Rebecca is correct. Call for taxi.
Quella roba lì illuminata di cui hai messo le foto fa effetto simile a quello di Ginevra di ieri sera.
È la diga gigante.
Southwest 2297, descend and maintain 3000 at the airport at Chitara, 3 o'clock and 7 miles.
Descend and maintain 3000,
No. Left. Right. Left. Left. Right.
and Southwest 2297, UFO has here.
Southwest 2297, roger, thank you. Traffic is a Spirit Wings Airbus 320 on about a 2-mile final. What do you have to say?
È già in piazza lo Space Shuttle.
Io la faccio dalla piazza.
2297.
Mi sembrava familiare come store, ho detto ma sarà Sim Market, poi non mi sono reso conto che lo Sim Market non lo vedo da mesi.
Southwest 2297, clear visual approach runway 33 left.
Clear visual approach 33 left, Southwest 2297.
Washington Center, Southwest 2908, call for taxi.
Southwest 2908 to runway 28, taxi via Charlie, uniform 1.
Runway 28 via Charlie, uniform 1, Southwest 2908.
Number 42 at 3 Juliet, wind 360 at 10, altimeter 3023, runway 2, taxi via Alpha. Southwest 2297, proceeding traffic touching down now, wind 320 at 12, gust 20, runway 33 left, clear line.
33 left, clear to land, Southwest 2297.
Southwest 2994, contact Boston Center 134.7, happy landing, thanks for stopping by.
Luciano is with us.
134.7,
Veramente?
Southwest 2994. We'll see you later, we'll come right back.
Eh no, unknown position, penso stia rientrando nell'atmosfera.
Ah, già.
Cliccandolo invece no, è a terra.
No, scherzo, ovviamente non avevo cliccato, però.
È a terra in un posto che non indovinerete mai.
Dubai.
Fiumicino.
Ah, col Fignon. Ah.
Sì.
Brno.
Col Concorde.
Sì, sì. Arriva prima di te, infatti.
È già sulla frequenza della ground.
Scusami, arriva insieme a te. Scusami.
Allora deve riuscire a fermarsi in 2500 metri.
È ancora, cioè è già con la frequenza della ground, ma non ha ancora il piano di volo. Ah no, ok, è arrivato ora. CRJ per Ginevra.
Vabbè, dai, hai scelto una rotta facile.
Potato checklist. Flap 5, brilliant. Stabilizer 3 is 49 check. Qua lo scenario è veramente bucherellato quasi.
United 7 Washington Center, roger, good morning. That radio is barely readable, but just to be advised, send by the Gibbs 5 arrival landing north, Dallas altimeter 3022.
Landing north, clear via the Gibbs arrival and
Audio better?
Yeah, 7, that's a little better, thank you.
Roger, thanks.
We're 17 Charlie Tower. Roger, taxi to, let's see, signature via Juliet, Kilo 5 Kilo, and remain strict. Have a good day, thanks for stopping by.
Remain strictly che non verrà rispettato.
Southwest 2908, runway 28, line up and wait, traffic landing, runway C3.
No, è la Ticini.
Line up and wait, runway 28, Southwest 2908.
Number 5187 Foxtrot, let's see, send and maintain 3000, flight present, heading vectors across the localizer for your descent. At 4591, descend via the field before arrival, Newark altimeter 3011.
Descent via Philippo for arrival, altimeter 3011, United 4591.
Convoy 694, cross runway 32 left and safe parking. Convoy 694, Roger, cross runway 23 right and 23 left and taxi via Bravo Alpha to base on.
Eccola, collega per terra.
Okay, 17 Fox, I know that was, we know what it said was flight present for vectors across the localizer for your descent, so that was as expected. 5817 Fox, I think we can bring you around now though. Turn left direct shoe, cross shoe at above 3000, cleared out, let's 5 left approach.
Southwest 2297 is clear of 33 left. We'll be parking at Bravo 3.
Southwest 2908, the wind 320 at 12, gust 20, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
28 clear for takeoff, Southwest 2908.
Southwest 2297, taxi to parking and remain this frequency. Have a good day, thanks for stopping by.
Alright, thanks for parking, thanks for the service. Have a great day, Southwest.
November 713 Whiskey Mike, Washington Center, good morning. Cleared to the Tri-Cities Airport via the Cali 7 departure. Reach transition and then as filed, maintain 5000 and expect flight level 180, 10 minutes after departure. Departure control with me, squawk 2460.
Taking off.
V1.
November 713 Whiskey Mike, Roger, readback is correct so far, maintain 5000, expect flight level 180, 10 minutes after departure. November 713 Whiskey Mike, readback is correct, wind 360 at 10, altimeter 3023, expect runway 2. Number 4293 Juliet, are you ready? 4293 Juliet, proceed on course, wind 360 at 10, runway 2, clear for takeoff. Air Canada Canada 794 is leaving my airspace. Jacksonville's offline. Monitor Unicom at the landing. Thanks for stopping by.
Okay, typical checklist, engine blitz on, oxygen out, landing gear up, flaps up, and left.
And the Washington Center, good evening. It's WestJet 9128. We're on Delta and request IC runway 30.
WestJet 9128, Washington Center, Roger, good morning, runway 30, taxi via Zulu, Yankee 11.
Runway 30, taxi via Zulu and Yankee 11, WestJet 9128.
November 5817 Foxtrot, wind 0209 at 9, or gust 15, runway 5 left, clear to land. Southwest 2908 is radar contact, climb and maintain flight level 230, say altitude please.
Leading 7000 and climb maintain 230, Southwest 2908. Luciano il volo col Regeno lo finisce.
Yeah, 4591 leaving my airspace. The New York's are offline. Monitor Unicom, I can line. Thanks for stopping by.
Unicom United 4591, good day.
Per lui dover badare anche la manetta su un aereo del genere è troppo.
Per forza, allora è meglio lo Space Shuttle.
United 7, expected visual approach, runway 10 center.
Non c'è il motore, non ci sono problemi.
United 7, expected visual approach, runway 10 center.
Delta 440 with you, passing 340, climbing 410.
Delta 440 Washington Center, Roger, good morning, radar contact 35 miles southwest of the Raleigh Joint Explorer.
Ladies and gentlemen, use of all portable electronic devices is now permitted in airplane mode with cellular functions turned on. In a few moments, we will be coming through to take your drink orders. We will be serving complimentary soft drinks, juice, and coffee. Beer, wine, and liquor are available for purchase or with a valid
Southwest 694.
Zani.
Runway 694, Roger
Ho sbagliato l'aereo, ho messo 320, però
Nel piano di
4293 Julie, just radar contact, climb and maintain 5, hold in the fail to leave.
Ah, quindi ho sbagliato una lettera, lo devo mettere a 350, ho messo a 320.
Number 4293 Juliet, I tell you, climb to requested altitude and maintain BFR.
I'm going to request altitude, maintain vehicle 19 Juliet.
Southwest 2908, climb maintain flight level 360.
Climb maintain level 360, Southwest 2908.
WestJet 9128, flight heading 340, wind 33013, gust 23, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
About heading 340, runway 30, clear takeoff, WestJet 9128.
Riuscirà almeno a decollare vicino. Vediamo dove sei parcheggiato.
Finger.
National Aircraft, Washington Center, we'll be right back.
Ah sì, al satellite quello degli Evi.
Beh, come Sim Italia è partito.
non so se hai visto la dicitura di VATSIM Radar per Sim Italia, è Simulator Verein Rhein-Neckar.
Il fiume Neckar è lì vicino a Stoccarda, quindi
quasi meglio di
tecnica
stenografica. Non c'è nel database Sim Italia, chissà come mai. Ma il sito ce l'hanno ancora o è rimasto l'unico a volarci?
Questa è una bella domanda. Me lo chiedevo.
sarebbe interessante. C'è il fix blunt qua, è l'equivalente del nostro canne.
Di Anni Canne si chiama James Blunt. No,
Sì.
Giacomo.
Giacomo Canne.
Ma Blunt non è che tipo livido.
Il livido è Hickey o Bruce? Blunt come